heads out your circle. When they go down, you know they never meant to hurt you. Yeah, watch who you run with, they'll desert you.
All right, y'all. Listen, I'm excited about this one, man. This is my first ever dirt bike vlog. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but it's gonna be something catchy. You know what I'm saying? So, since it's my first one, I'm gonna introduce y'all to my whole dirt bike setup. You know, how I ride, what I ride, and you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of what I do. So, this is a 2012 RMZ 250. This is the first dirt bike I ever had. I actually have two bikes. The other one isn't here. This one, it's a 4-stroke. It's a good bike, man. It's my baby. I love this joint. So I'm gonna take this one out today, and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm going today. We not riding no trails today. I don't ride in the street because I don't want no problems with the police. So I normally just ride on the dirt or whatever. But I'm going to the field today, aka my man named this joint Wheelie Park. Me and a friend of mine that we ride together, we be practicing wheelies and all that in this little field around the corner. So I'm gonna take y'all over there today. But first, let's go ahead and we're gonna wheel this bad boy out, all right? Show y'all how I do it, how I does it. So y'all see I keep it in a nice little, I got a nice little shed back here. I keep it, you know what I'm saying? We keep it, it's secure, got, you know what I'm saying? Got the cameras pointed to it, make sure that nobody come get my bike from me. Y'all seen how I got it in there, you know what I'm saying? I take it out, I wheel it back around, we at the back of the house. I take it around here, I get it started up, and y'all, we're gonna jump over to the next screen, and then the next screen, I'm gonna be on the bike. We're gonna be headed towards Wheelie Park, all right? Wheelie Field, whatever. All right, let's go. So look, we made it back safe and sound from Wheelie Park. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. That's my little route. That's what I do. You know what I'm saying? I'm straight out the backyard, hit Wheelie Park, couple practice. You know what I'm saying? We do practice. You know what I'm saying? Probably about an hour when I can sneak away. That's a good day for me. About a 45 minutes to an hour worth of practice. Look, she back tucked in. Hold on. She back tucked in, safe and sound. You know what I'm saying? We good. That's all. You know what I'm saying? I think that's it for the day. Man, y'all, that was my first time using the little helmet camera holster thing. I don't know if y'all see in the video, y'all see me reaching down. It kept feeling like the phone flew off. It's real windy out here today. But yeah, man, look. Appreciate y'all tuning in. This is the first of many. We gonna get it in on them bikes. Y'all gonna see, man. We gonna have a good time. Like I said, I'm new to this, man. I just started riding like a year, some change ago, during the pandemic. You ain't never too old to learn. It's like that, man. It's a good time out here, man. It's good dudes out here that be riding, man. You meet new people. It's fun, man. So y'all tune in. Let me know if y'all want to link up, go riding together, all that. Let me know if there's some spots. We got the truck, we got the trailer. We bring the bikes up there and we have a good time, man. Look, man. It's Aaron. I'm signing out. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all right? Until next time.
Keep them squares out your circle. When they go down, you know they never meant to hurt you. Yeah, watch who you run with, they'll desert you.
All right, we good. We good. Let's go.